Hello बच्चों, let us look into the question. The question says the part of chromatin which is densely packed, is stained darkly and is transcriptionally inactive is called as euchromatin, chromatosome, heterochromatin. Let us look into it. So the key concept is the DNA packaging. Let us look into it. Whenever we talk about the DNA packaging is primarily done by histone protein, which includes octamer, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Along with that linker protein which includes H1 histone. And when this DNA is coiled, along with this this is the 8 octamer, and over here there is a H1 histone. H1 histone. This is suppose H2A, H2B, and at the back of it also H2A, H2B, और यहाँ पे H3, H4. So this forms the octamer of histone. Along with that, it includes the DNA, and when this DNA plus histone octamer, it forms nucleosome altogether, and this when nucleosome is present with the H1 histone, it is called as chromatosome. Chromatosome. Now this chromatosome, when are present with more condensed form, when they are present with the non-histone chromosome protein, they form chromatin. And when this chromatin gets densely packed, they form chromosome. Alright, this chromatin is of two types in the nucleus, in the two different regions of the nucleus. It is, first kind is heterochromatin, second type is euchromatin. Heterochromatin is basically transcriptionally inactive, and euchromatin, since it is loosely packed, so it is active ट्रांसक्रिप्शनली. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर ये लूजली पैक्ड है यानी कि ये एक्सेस दे रहा है डिफरेंट एंजाइम को, ताकि वो आके इनकी प्रोसेसिंग कर सके इजिली. एंड हेट्रोक्रोमैटिन में इतना सिंस इट इज वेरी कॉम्पैक्टली पैक्ड, तो कॉम्पैक्टली पैक्ड होने की वजह से इनमें कोई भी एंजाइम वर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं, एक्सेस नहीं कर पाते हैं डीएनए का. दैट इज वाई ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शनली इनएक्टिव रीजन माने जाते हैं, और यहाँ पे एमआरएनए का सिंथेसिस जनरली कैरी आउट नहीं होता है. दे आर कॉम्पैक्टली पैक्ड. उसके साथ ही साथ स्टेनिंग इनकी डार्क होती है, और इनकी स्टेनिंग लाइट स्टेनिंग द केस ऑफ euchromatin, light staining. Alright, so this is how the DNA packaging take place. Whenever we talk about chromosome are the colored bodies that have DNA in the most condensed form. This is the structure of chromosome. One single segment of this chromatin is called as chromonimeta. And this is called as centromere, whereas the mid of this chromonimeta there are certain dot like structure formed, that is called as chromomere, whereas this is called as centromere. The edge region is called as telomere. So this is how the entire packaging of DNA takes place in the form of chromosome. Now let us move to the option. Option 1 says euchromatin, that we have understood that it is not densely packed, it is loosely packed. Chromatosome की हमने बात की. Chromatosome exactly है क्या? It is nucleosome, यानी कि DNA plus histone octamer along with H1 histone, it is called as chromatosome. Heterochromatin की हमने बात की कि densely packed होते हैं and they stain dark, transcriptionally inactive होते हैं, क्योंकि इतने ये compactly bound होते हैं, इतनी compactly इनकी packing होती है. Suppose this is a nucleus and this is a mid region. ये इतने कॉम्पैक्ट होते हैं कि यहाँ पे एंजाइम एक्सेस ही नहीं कर पाती, दैट इज वाई ट्रांसक्रिप्शन यहाँ पे कैरी आउट नहीं हो पाता है, सो इट इज टर्म्ड एज ट्रांसक्रिप्शनली इनएक्टिव. सो द राइट आंसर इज हेट्रोक्रोमैटिन. Let us concluded option C is the right answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.